Looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution to keep your CV boots securely in place? Look no further than the Nesco CV boot clamps. A CV boot clamp is a type of clamp used to secure the constant velocity joint boot to the axle shaft. The CV joint boot is a rubber or plastic cover that protects the CV joint from dirt and debris while also holding in grease lubrication. If the CV boot becomes damaged, it can cause the lubricant to leak out and potentially lead to CV joint failure. Nesco high-quality clamps are designed to provide a tight and secure fit around your CV boots, preventing them from slipping or sliding out of place. Nesco Ear-style clamps are made from premium materials SS304 stainless steel. Nesco clamps are built to withstand even the toughest conditions and provide years of reliable use. Their durable construction ensures that they won't rust, corrode or break down over time, making them an ideal choice for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. With their easy-to-use design, these clamps can be quickly and easily installed, providing a hassle-free solution for keeping your CV boots in place. And thanks to their sleek and low-profile design, they won't interfere with your vehicle's performance or appearance. It is important to use the correct type of clamp and follow proper installation procedures to ensure the CV joint is protected and functioning properly. So if you're looking for a dependable and high-quality solution for securing your CV boots, look no further than Nesco CV boot clamps. With their unbeatable combination of durability, reliability, and ease of use, they're the perfect choice for anyone looking to keep their vehicle running smoothly and securely. Order today and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your CV boots are in good hands. For more details, please visit our website nescoauto.com. Please order now for immediate dispatches.